Imagine, for a moment, precisely measuring the length of an entire year to within mere minutes. Now, imagine doing that not with atomic clocks or space telescopes, but 1,000 years before any of those were even dreamed of. How is that possible? And more importantly, who was the visionary mind behind such an impossible feat? For centuries, humanity lived under a sky that was both a source of wonder and deep confusion. People needed to know when to plant, when to harvest, when to celebrate religious festivals. Navigating vast oceans? That required knowing your position, which depended on knowing the stars. But here's the catch. The maps of the cosmos were riddled with errors. For generations, astronomers relied on models passed down from antiquity, particularly those from the Greek scholar Ptolemy. These were good for their time, but centuries of cumulative observation revealed their cracks. Think about it. Building an entire civilization, its agriculture, its commerce, its very sense of time, on a clock that was slowly, subtly going wrong. It's like trying to sail across an ocean with a compass that's just a few degrees off. You'd end up far from your destination, perhaps even lost forever. The stakes were incredibly high. Someone needed to fix the heavens. This is where Abu Abdallah Muhammad ibn Jabir ibn Sinan al-Battani, known to the world simply as Al-Battani, enters our story. Nicknamed the Ptolemy of the Arabs, and for good reason, he wasn't content with just accepting the old wisdom. From his observatory in what is now Syria, under a vast, star-lit desert sky, Al-Battani dedicated himself to an obsessive quest for precision. Picture him there, surrounded by sophisticated instruments like the astrolabe and giant quadrants, meticulously charting the movements of planets, stars, and the sun itself. But his genius wasn't just in his observations, however groundbreaking they were. It was in his brain. Al-Battani realized that the existing mathematical tools weren't enough. He needed something more powerful. And so, he didn't just collect data. He innovated the very language of celestial calculation. He was a pioneer in using sine, cosine, and tangent, the bedrock of modern trigonometry, to unlock the secrets of the cosmos. This wasn't just arithmetic, it was a mathematical revolution. With these new tools, he could calculate angles and distances in the sky with unprecedented accuracy. His Kitāb az-Zīj as-Sābī, or Sabian Tables, wasn't just a book of numbers. It was a mathematical triumph. He refined the length of the solar year to an astonishing degree of accuracy, within minutes of what we know today. He also provided a far more precise value for the precession of the equinoxes, that slow, majestic wobble of Earth's axis over millennia. He literally corrected the cosmic clock. The ripple effect of Al-Battani's work was immense, echoing across continents and centuries. His Sabian Tables were so revolutionary, so vital, that they were translated into Latin and became essential reading for European scholars. Imagine that. An Arab scholar's work, written in Arabic, becoming foundational text for the burgeoning scientific revolution in the West. It bridged cultures, languages, and eras. Perhaps his most famous beneficiary was a Polish astronomer named Nicolaus Copernicus. Yes, that Copernicus, the man who dared to suggest that the Earth revolved around the Sun, the heliocentric model that shattered millennia of geocentric thought. Copernicus cited Al-Battani extensively, using his precise observational data and mathematical methods to build his own groundbreaking theories. Without Al-Battani's meticulous measurements and trigonometric innovations, Copernicus might never have had the solid groundwork to challenge the established order. Al-Battani didn't just correct old errors. He laid crucial stones for a new understanding of the universe. He was, in essence, an unheralded architect of the scientific revolution. From a Syrian observatory to the minds of Renaissance giants, Al-Battani's pursuit of precision reshaped humanity's understanding of its place in the cosmos. His story is a powerful reminder that true scientific progress isn't just about big machines or flashy discoveries, but about meticulous observation, fearless questioning, and the relentless pursuit of accuracy. He proved that even with limited tools, human ingenuity coupled with mathematical brilliance can literally measure the heavens. If you were inspired by this unsung hero who measured the year to minutes a millennium ago, hit that like button. What other historical figures do you think deserve more recognition? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more stories of forgotten genius that shaped our world.